So let's start with this topic. I just gave you the introduction of this topic last week when we just started it after doing the percentage increase and decrease. This is the topic simple and compound interest. Formula for that is I is equal to PRT divided by 100. As I explained you that here in this formula, I stands for simple interest. I is the formula. It is for simple interest. P is an amount that you are, P is a principal amount, principal over here, that is a capital or the amount you borrowed or deposited in the bank. Clear? And I is a simple interest, R is a rate of interest. Always we are calculating the rate of interest to the original principal, and T is equal to time for that. Clear? So when we are getting the interest to any amount, when you are depositing your amount to the bank for the specific time period, for a fixed time period, like for 1 year, for 5 year, or for the 10 year, at that time, bank is giving you the interest on your amount. Or in other case, if you are taking loan from the bank for some specific time period, like for the 5 years or for the 10 years, or at least for the 1 year, so for that specific for the specific time period, you have to pay the interest to the bank over the loan. So in this way, we are going to find out the interest. All these letters I explained you over here that what they are stand for. Now we are going to start exercise number 5C, book page number 130. The question number 1 is there. That question number 1 is copy and complete the table, but the A part is there. Question number 1 and its A part is there. If you look at the question number 1 A part, the principal is given to you. Principal given to you, that is $12,000. They gave you the rate of interest. Rate of interest mean I can write that R is given to you 8%. And they gave you the time also, that is 7 years. Time is 7 years. What you have to find out, you have to find out the simple interest. And the second thing that you have to find out is amount. You have to find out amount. Clear? So let's start with the simple interest formula. We know the formula for the simple interest is I is equal to PRT divided by 100. Substitute the values over here. I stands for simple interest. So it means we have to find out the simple interest. P is a principal, that is a 12,000 over here. P is a principal, that is 12,000 over here. R is a rate of interest. So we can say the rate of interest is given 8 and time is given 7 years divided by 100. You have to multiply all these 3 numerator values and then we have to divide by 100. Can you please multiply, everyone? And divide by 100 and tell me the final answer.
That's 6,720.
$6,720. This is a simple interest. But the principal amount was 12,000. How we have to find out the amount of this one? We can see that principal was 12,000 and the rate of interest over the 12,000 that you have to pay, or maybe that you received from the bank, that is $6,720. So now you have to find out the amount after that simple interest. So amount that is equal to interest plus principal, interest plus principal. So interest plus principal, interest, simple interest you just have with you. We can see from here the simple interest is 6,720 and the principal is, how much is the principal? 12,000. So add these two values, you will get the final answer, that is $18,720. This is the answer, second answer, and this one is the first answer of your question.